Good afternoon, everyone. How you doing today? Michael Zuber, one rental at a time. And as you know, something I've put together that I'm very proud of is my online course. It's on Teachable. It's called How to Get Started One Rental at a Time. And something I'm very proud of that we've added over the last 9 months or so is we have created a private Facebook group. The private Facebook group is called One Rental at a Time Works. So first, if you are a student of mine and you've yet to join the Facebook group, simply look up One Rental at a Time Works, ask to join. And of course, I look at that daily and I will approve you to join. Why that is important is because the group One Rental at a Time Works is starting to get to a size where people are helping people, right? Students are helping students. We all talk the same vocabulary. I think, frankly, the private Facebook group in very short order is going to be worth the price of the course. The price of the course is only $199. You get how to get started one rental at a time. You get access to the Facebook group. And I do Facebook Lives, 9 a.m. every Saturday morning just for my students. It's the closest I do to one-on-one mentoring. So if you want to ask me questions in a very small group with other like-minded individuals, buy the course, get added to the Facebook group, and let's get started. To that end, I just want to give you a flavor of some questions, some posts that are happening in the Facebook group as we speak. So let me just share with you what is going on. This is always fun for me. Again, just some things I've screenshot over the last week. Again, the Facebook group is called One Rental at a Time Works. The course is called How to Get Started One Rental at a Time. You would think I would have named them the same, but they didn't come to me at the same time. So sorry about that. So first one, love seeing posts like this. We're seeing these almost weekly now. Here's one that says, I'm closing on my 4th rental on Thursday. It's been a wild year, but we're excited. Awesome. That's what How to Get Started One Rental at a Time is about. Learning your market, doing good or great deals, and seeing things like this post are awesome. And then seeing the other students chime in, ask questions, rah for everyone. Good job. Here's another one somebody sent out, said, I just closed on my 3rd rental. Let's go. One rental at a time. There's the picture. I just screenshot that right from the post. So again, awesome stuff. And again, students helping students help, doing wonderful things. It's a lot of fun. Another great question that came out is, on your spreadsheets, what is the yield you're looking for good and great deals in your market? This was an interesting post because I teach people around the world and everybody's market is different. And again, I don't pick markets. I'm in a market where I'll take a 6%. There were people in there looking for 12 and 15. So again, when you're a part of the group, you can ask questions, figure out markets, look where to go. So I thought this was a very interesting post, and I was glad the students felt comfortable responding to each other because it's not an open group. Only people who have bought the course are in there, so everybody can count on everybody having the same vocabulary, the same interest, and just a great quality group of individuals. Here's another one. Just closed on my 5th property this morning using Mike's philosophies. I purchased a duplex where 1 unit pays the mortgage. I want to say thanks to Mike, and let's continue making this group stronger, one rental at a time. Just awesome. Just keep moving forward, keep learning your market, keep going. Again, that's how you do it with one rental at a time. And then again, people are asking questions, just oddball questions. And here's one: is your rental pet friendly? If no, why not? Again, these are questions as a landlord you have to think about. We've had questions about what flooring to use, and do you put carpet in the bedroom, and just all kinds of stuff. So when you buy the course, you figure out how to get started one rental at a time. Remember, you also can join the group One Rental at a Time Works, and you'll be around other investors who are on this journey, and you can ask them questions. It's a safe place. And I'm very proud to say that this is a highly valuable part of the course, How to Get Started One Rental at a Time. Again, if you haven't bought the book yet, please do. If you have, please leave a 5-star review. We'd love to get those reviews up. And Forbes, thank you for recognizing the book as number 3 of the 15 essential books to read before getting started. Pretty awesome. So again, remember, I'm sorry for the double names. My course, $199, listed below, is called How to Get Started One Rental at a Time. And as a part of that $199, you can get added to a private Facebook group called One Rental at a Time Works. Buy the course, ask to get added. I will verify your purchase and add you to the group. And again, when you're in there, interact, ask questions, and join the Saturday live sessions at 9 a.m. All right, everybody, take care. Thanks.